Hey guys, I haven't made a video in a while, but just want to come and solve the Rubik's Cube since I had my little buddy of mine. I paid him $10 to teach me because I got one on there for free. My new Rubik's Cube came in yesterday. So I got the original from Walmart, but they're not as good because they're harder to return. So I got me a speed cube, better one. So I'm gonna show you that I'm solving. See, it's solved. I'm just gonna mess it up. It's all mess up, Okay, messed up. It's not solved anymore. No, I'm gonna solve it. Let's go. I love this cube. It turns so easy now. Oh, what is it? Why is it? The other one I would have trouble with. Now I'm doing it like a boss. On that chest. Let's go. No. Come back to you. There you go. Like this cube better move. Dang it. Go. One more. On one side. Maybe do it on the back. Up there. Blue. Green one. And this is my new amazing cube. I'm glad I love it. Red, okay. I messed up you there. Messed up a little bit, but I'll fix it. Okay. All of them should be good. Not yet, but it's getting there. There we go. Okay. Then the final step. Taught by Genius. We got solved. I know tricks with it too. Solved. And that's me solving the Rubik's Cube. Yes. accomplishing. See how easy it is? Like, I have to read these things. Hope you enjoyed, like,